Hello everyone. I'm Next, and in this video, I have proposed very essential and critical issues of a dynamic business. I will present you a very essential issue, that is business plan. So in this presentation, I will incorporate or present you basic concepts of a business plan and its components. Business plan nowadays is becoming a precondition to raise capital for startup business. So concepts of business plan. Business plan by definition is a written document which is used to guide a startup business. On the other hand, business plan serves as a roadmap to structure, operate, and manage a new business venture. So preparation of a brief, precise, and convincing business plan is very essential and important to convince creditors, to attract investors and partners to join this startup business. Components of a business plan. Business plan to be successful and effective should incorporate 8 basic sections. Executive summary is the first section or element of business plan, and it is a brief and precise description of the overall document, and it should be prepared with precisely and shortly with 1 or 2 pages. Executive summary should be a strongest part of the plan because it serves as a standalone purpose to raise capital. In executive summary part of the plan, you should include the company description, market analysis, target markets, and basic issues that is incorporated in the overall document to have clear understanding and brief know-how regarding the plan in a short and precise manner. Executive summary should also include short briefs about the whole documents with 1 or 2 pages. Don't forget to prepare your executive summary at the end of your overall document preparation. Company description, the second component of the business plan. This is the front part of the plan that includes name of the business, name and background of the founders, place and establishment date of that business. It is the front part of the document, as I've told you. Product and service. This is the leading point which is basically involved with the description of the current products and services as well as future proposed products to be added with the business. So this part details about the current and future products and services to be offered to the market. Market analysis. This part of the business plan is very extensive and the lengthiest enough part of the plan. It should include crucial issues regarding the environmental and the internal parts of the business. In this section, you should analyze about the industry background that you are going to compete or join with. Basics about the competitors in terms of strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threat relative to the proposed business and relative to the competing firms. Entry barrier is the other issue that should be analyzed and evaluated at the market analysis part of the business plan, because entry barrier hinders or prohibits from entering and exiting from the industry. So to prepare yourself, you have to have clear understanding about the existing barriers that will determine you from entering and exiting to the industry. Target market is the other issue that should be analyzed as this part of the business plan. Target market is simply proposed users of the product, and you should include their needs, who they are, their geographic location, their basic interests, and their pocket and financial concerns of that target business, users of the product. Marketing and operating plan is the fifth section of the business plan. At this section, you should include the product brand building strategy, advertising strategy, campaign strategy, and selling concepts, as well as the delivery strategy that you have proposed to be applied while running your business. At marketing and operating plan section, you have also analyzed the estimated and proposed budget that is expected to be used to design for each strategy, for campaign strategy, for delivery strategy, for brand building strategy, and the overall marketing strategies to increase the competitive future of your business. You should be smart enough while preparing this strategy to be competent and attractive enough for external visitors of your business plan. Management and organization, which is the next part of the business plan, is simply details about the company structure and individuals or peoples who will structure that business firm. You should detail about the background of these founders or the individuals' expertise, their experience, and unique points, unique concerns about this expertise to increase the competitive future of your business plan and to convince the creditors and external stakeholders as well as investors who are proposing or planning to join your business. Financial projection. Everyone knows that finance is the blood of every business. Without finance, there will be nothing, or the overall firm will not run its operation without having finance. So, financial plan is very essential part of your business plan. You should include the proposed and estimated capital to be used to raise your capital issue and competitive future. You should also describe the sources of capital from where you can get this capital, either from creditors, from your own loan saving, from your partner, from family, and etc. etc. So this part of the business plan should explain basic financial needs that are required to run the overall business. Appendix is the last point. At this point, you should detail about additional sources that helps the reader to understand more about your business venture. To have a clear and simple understanding about the business plan, you should add these additional sources or information to your plan. Oh, this is the end. Thank you very much for following me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like so that you can have a quick notification while adding additional and other issues in a hot manner.